Welcome back to Just Make Money. Just Make Money is a platform where you get a very professional outlook about any commodity, any instrument being traded anywhere in the world. Normally, we talk about equity, futures and options, currencies, gold, silver indices. All you have to do is to just listen to us, verify with what you know through us. There is no data, no other information that needs to be analyzed. Everything has been compressed into a very simple and concise information and analysis for you. Today we are going to talk about Nifty, Indian indices, and compare them with the American ones like Dow Jones and Nasdaq. So let's get going. I, Sumeet Kumar, with more than 25 years of experience in international and domestic financial markets, I am your contact person, and I'm registered with SEBI as a research analyst. I'm advisor to HNIs, NRIs, and companies, and I can be contacted for trading, investing, and hedging needs. You get all these information online for free. Normally, it was reserved exclusively for HNI clients, NRI clients on paid basis, but it comes to you now. Simple analysis of Nifty and Sensex, our indices, Indian indices, for free online on YouTube. So let's get going. This is a price chart of Nifty, weekly price chart of Nifty, how the indices it has moved. You can see it has tried to make three tops. It is again close to the third top. It has tried to move up, but it is finding it difficult to move up. And even if it goes up, it should not be moving beyond 19,050 or 19,100. That should be the peak for Nifty in the coming time. You must know and you must understand that these price patterns, these are very important. These are followed by everyone everywhere in the world. This can be sort of an educational video also for you, where you would learn that what happens, how to analyze any market, any instrument, be it shares, be it indices, be it gold, be it currencies, whatever, Indian, American, whatever. So I have tried to compress the price pattern of Nifty for 1 or 2 years, and we can see that it had tried to make new highs, but it is unable to move too significantly. The highs are not being made in a significant manner. It is finding it difficult to move beyond 2% of the recent highs. So you can see that after having touched the two peaks, it is likely, I have given you the arrow, blue arrow, which shows that it is likely that Nifty can touch 19,050. That is the maximum it can touch, and there should be a correction. And correction at times happens on deeper scale. So where it can go? My analysis is that it can pull back towards, say, 18,200, 300. That is one of the levels. And definitely we will find support around 17,500. Everything is possible. So what should be done? Somebody who is trading into Nifty indices can book their profit, or somebody who wants to take a fresh position should avoid taking bullish positions around these levels. Only my advice is to go for bearish positions. Most likely you will make money in that, and you can hold it for quite some time. But there is a take. The take is that if it on consistent basis moves beyond 19,100 on consistent basis, then we should wait for some time to see how the prices move. I'm saying we should wait. I'm not asking you to reverse your bearish stance. I'm not asking you to take any bullish positions over there. You should just wait. If it breaks above that, the best bet will be on Nifty will be to take a bearish bet around these levels. Now similar is the price pattern of Sensex. You can see how the things look like. At the most, I feel it should be going around 64,300 or something. I have touched the two peaks, similar to what I have done to Nifty. Now this is how you can do it yourself also. It's very simple. You just have to identify price patterns. You just have to identify trends. I'll be telling you all those things in my videos. So you can learn and earn yourself. This is what betting is all about. You know something, you have read something, you have tips from somewhere, and you get a very concise view from somebody who is doing it for others, who is doing it for decades. And the logic I have given to you how. All right, the similar is the case that if it pulls back, which it should, there are chances that it can come back to say 59,000. That is the maximum, and that will be the buying level. From there, where it will go, we'll talk about it later. But it is similar to what we have seen in Nifty, and this is what we should do. We should book our profits around these levels, and we should take an exit. We can take a bearish stance. Don't go for a bullish stance around these levels. It is not advisable. Now let's see about other charts. Other charts in say, we have Dow Jones. Dow Jones is slightly different. You can see Dow Jones is in a very congestion kind of a mode. It's not moving anywhere. It's trying to move, but it's not moving anywhere. It's just congesting. It's not giving any direction as of yet. So I would say Dow Jones is somewhat neutral, trying to move in a range, broader range of 1,000 points or 1,500 points. So not much of a cliff from Dow Jones. What about Nasdaq? Nasdaq seems to have bottomed around, say, 10,500. And from there it has bounced, which I had been talking about in my previous videos, that it is going to bounce, and Nasdaq is the play, is the flavor for the coming time. Say 1 or 2 quarters or till Diwali. Nasdaq should be giving you a good return. Expect Nasdaq to always bounce back from the levels around, say, 12,708, 13,000. Those levels, it should be bouncing back. So, if Nasdaq is going to be bullish, then what you should be doing? Nasdaq represents technology stocks. And if technology stocks are bullish, then you should be buying into IT stocks. This is a hint that what you should be doing. IT stocks sometimes are contra bets, which means that if the market falls, most likely IT stocks, they remain resilient. And they usually move along with Nasdaq. So if Nasdaq is moving up, you should go into IT stocks. This is what my suggestion is. So this is what it was all about, a very brief, concise outlook about Indian indices, how it looks like. People are confused nowadays that what it should be done. They think that market is at the peak. We should not be buying it. We should not be selling it. What we should do. So this is what I've told to you. Try to sell it. It's close to the peak. Try to book your profits and be into IT stocks. You'll make money. So just make money. And if you have liked my effort, a brief effort, to bring to you a very concise outlook about the indices, or as compared to international market, how it looks like, how our Indian market is going to behave, I will suggest that please give a press the like button. If you want something more on this, please comment on the same. And always share a good video with some of your friends, colleagues, or acquaintances so that they also get benefited. Thank you very much for watching. I'll be back again. Thank you.